Hello. Wait lang. Pipin lang ako ng comments. Hey everybody, good morning. Good afternoon. Hi Sir Raho, I'll see you on December 20th. Okay, so yeah, we will be selling the tickets tonight at 6 p.m. Make sure that ready kayo. Kasi balita ako magiging puksaan tonight. But yeah, I'm really, really excited and I'm so happy that we get to do this in the year of 2025 after a long time. Parang yung huling reunion ata namin na magkakasama kami was Bring Back My Girls pa, and that was 2023. I think that was after I filmed UK versus the World ata, if I'm not mistaken. Basta yung unang DragCon namin, yun yung first namin na Bring Back My Girls, if I remember it correctly. Yes, I believe so. Yeah, we're also very excited for the show. We're putting a lot of work on the show. And meron kaming one specific segment na talagang, you know me, how I think about the numbers, di ba? Medyo malala yung isang number namin na magkakasama. So, ayun, abangan nyo yun. You don't want to miss it because it's gonna be a gag for the century kasi I feel like a number like that haven't been done before in any franchise. No, I feel like nagawa na siya before, but for like a reunion type of show, I feel like we're gonna witness something really, really great and really, really cool. Do you enjoy seafood? Yes, Panjana, I enjoy seafood, but not raw seafood, just like how you tried to murder me in Thailand. Can there be a live stream? I am not sure. Unfortunately, the reception in Rampa, as you all know, is not stable, and I don't wanna, risk it. And it's, yeah. And gusto rin namin may exclusive, experience yung ticket buyers natin. Kahit YouTube subscription. Sige, gawa natin ng paraan yan na magkaroon tayo ng parang pay-per-view. No? Sana makabili ng ticket later. Yes, 6 p.m. at campsummers.helixpay.ph. We'll see you later. No? Link is on the pinned caption or in my bio. Hindi ko pa lang napapalitan. Napapalitan ko na yung link name. But it's there. May meet and greet ba? As of now, wala pa tayong meet and greet kasi we wanna focus on the show and some of our queens are coming from a different show as well. So ayaw naman naming mag-meet and greet na hindi kami kompleto. And since marami kami, I feel like it would take so much time. So right now, we're still checking the logistics kasi for this show alone, we have to finish by 11:30 because meron pa ulit show sila Precious after. And dun tayo mag-after party. Okay, may show sila Precious sa Rampa right after the season 1 reunion. So again, we have to vacate, but this time earlier, because they are preparing a huge show, a Christmas show in Rampa after the show. Sold out na ba? Wala pa. We're not selling the tickets yet. We're gonna sell the tickets tonight at 6 p.m. at campsummers.helixpay.ph. Make sure na may stable internet kayo at gumagana lahat ng payment options ninyo. Right now, I think we accept major credit cards and debit cards except for American Express ata. Tinry ko yung American Express ko, hindi siya nag-work. So, huwag nyo na i-try ang American Express. I think hindi siya mag-work. Ayun. Hindi naka-secure. Wala pang ticket selling. Ma'am, how po mag-create ng account sa link? Kailangan ba ng account? Parang hindi naman ata need ng account sa link. So, you don't need an account for Helix Pay. You just have to go there, get your tickets, and then once matapos na yung transaction, we will Helix Pay will email you your QR codes and everything. So need mag-log in. Input number lang. Okay. Also, kailangan daw ng account. So, ngayon pa lang, gumawa na kayo ng account, guys. Ngayon pa lang gumawa na kayo ng account para later check out na lang. Tama ba? May login daw. Sorry, hindi ko alam kasi nasa guest list lang ako lagi eh. Ayun. So, you have to log in. You have to create an account. So, ngayon pa lang, as early as now, gumawa na kayo ng account kung possible para later check out na lang kasi mabilis magkaubusan ng tickets. And I really, really appreciate you guys for your support. Sa amin, sa Camp Summers, and sa Queens, of course. This year alone, grabe, ang dami nating nagawang shows this year. Kahit na wala akong airing na season, diba? Yeah, thank you so much. I'm really, really happy with, the quality of shows that we were able to put out this year. From this year being Global Phenomena, it feels like ages ago. Yeah, it was this year. From Global Phenomena to my birthday show and this season 1 reunion. And next year, I promise you, we're gonna bring you an even better and higher caliber of drag show next year. We've already started preparing for that show since October. October pa lang nag-start na kami ng preparations for the show next year. It's gonna be massive and it's gonna be something that I'm really, really looking forward to. But for now, I feel like ito yung huling show na I'm gonna be with Queens, my sisters, in one huge show. Yeah. See you in HQ. Yes, I'll see you in HQ next week. Is that right? Stardoll, my baby. My kapatid. Everybody, show Stardoll some love. We love her. And we are so proud of you. And girl, you did amazing on the episode. I don't know what happened, but Stardoll is a star indeed. Stardoll is so Filipina. Whenever I tour in the US, in Toronto, ang piyesa niya lagi is Sex Bomb or Beanie. As in, siya yung number 1 supporter ng Beanie sa Toronto. Need pala na may na-purchase na before na Tix para maka-log in. Oh, Ganun ba yun? Oo, di, ano, wait, i-confirm ko yan later, tapos mag-live ulit tayo bago mag-ticket selling, ha. Kakausapin ko yung team kung paano yung, ano, kung paano yung process niyan. Oo, tulog pa kasi sila kasi hanggang madaling araw nagmi-meeting kami for the show kagabi. So, hayaan muna natin sila magpahinga, guys. Kasi bakbakan na naman kami mamaya sa ticket selling eh. Ticket selling is at 6 p.m. tonight at Camp Summers.helixpay.ph. Again, 6 p.m. tonight, ticket selling, campsummers.helixpay.ph. If pumunta kayo sa link below today, and right now, mayroong countdown timer doon. It will show you exactly how many hours you got left before the tickets go on live. Ayan. If first time, you need to create an account. But if you're gonna repurchase or nakabili na kayo before ng tickets sa HelixPay or sa Camp Summers, you can use your own registered phone number before. Ganon. So, pwede. Lahat po ng details ng show will be on the poster. Again, 6 p.m. ticket selling is gonna be in Rampa at 7 p.m. Lahat ng cast members nandun na din. Parang concert ticket selling ang intense. Yeah, usually ganun talaga kapag Camp Summers. I remember before, parang medyo na-crash ninyo actually, yung website. So they had to upgrade their entire system. You literally crashed the system. So after nung first namin na show with them, which gone bonkers, as in malalay, I believe it was the premiere. Nung nagbenta kami ng tickets for the premiere ng Marina versus the World viewing party, I believe nag-crash yung website. So we had to fix some things. And then, after nun, nag-change na ng, ng server or something si HelixPay just to accommodate kung gaano puksaan yung ticket selling natin always. And that's because of you. Yes, I also have merch there. So, abang-abang na lang. There will be merch there. Yeah. O yung mga nang spam na naman dyan, kakaltukan ko kayo. Madam, may website po ba for your own mercy? Ha? Marina Hub Mercy. Charis. Merch. Yes, merch. Merch. Hindi mercy. Merch. Wala pa. We're still developing the website. See you in Jensen. Yes, I'll see you there next week. December 12, I believe. Let me check my calendar. Yes, 12. 12. Is it 12? Yeah, 12. When is Toronto Pride? Any possible shows sa Cebu? We're working on it next year. We'll be self-producing na lang para para hindi na tayo umaasa sa local producers. And we will make it happen for you guys. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, we will definitely reach you next year. Gagawin ko lahat ng paraan to be able to see you guys again. Especially, I haven't been in Cebu for a very long time. I haven't done a show there in a long time. I believe my last show there was before UK versus the World, and I was supposed to do Work the World earlier this year, but it got canceled. So Cebu, definitely, it's on my wish list for next year. Davao, definitely as well. We want to go back to CDO, Iloilo, ganyan. Kami na magdadala ng show sa inyo for sure. Zamboanga City, yeah, we will try Zamboanga as well. I believe during pag nagmi-meet and greet ako, ang dami talagang mga tiga Zamboanga, or pag yung mga messages sa inboxes ko, merong mga taga Zamboanga talaga. So we will definitely try that next year. Na para bang campaign rally ni Lenny. Charis. Meet and greet again. We might not have a meet and greet yet for now, kasi some of our queens on the cast will be coming from a different show, and so we have to push back some of the timelines in production for the tech runs, ganyan, and I'm afraid we might not have the time for it. Especially there's another show right after our show, so we have to strike out immediately. So, ayun. The champion is returned. That is correct. Love the poster. Thank you so much. That was a lot of you clocked it. It was an Ocean's 8 reference kasi walo kami and walo kaming available for this show, and I was like, oh my god, 8, Ocean's 8. I had to recreate that. And medyo nahirapan kami maghanap ng mga images ng girls that would fit the brief, but we made it. And us in Camp Summers, mostly, creative namin yan ni Roy. Kami ni Roy ang talagang pinupuksa ko siya, si Roy. Feeling ko pagod na sa akin si Roy mag-edit kasi even like, bakit may tint na pula? Bakit na ganito? Even like the smallest details, binabaril ko sa kanya. Pero yun, everybody say, thank you, Roy, for being so patient and being so creative and literally making my vision come to life talaga. Kasi kung wala si Roy, I wouldn't be able to put, kasi ako deck lang or like description, or magsasend ako sa kanya ng peg, or alam mo yun, I want this. Directions, basically. And si Roy talaga yung nag-execute ng lahat ng visions ko. So, Roy, thank you so much. I think tulog pa si Roy kasi marami pa akong pinapa-edit sa kanya. Pero I think igising na yun soon. Hi, Taylor Sheesh! Ano na? Ang hirap i-book ni Taylor Sheesh, no? Laging hindi available. Iba talaga si Taylor Swift. Kailan kaya ako pagbibigyan ni Taylor Swift? Kaya siya nagpapabook sa akin. Sa Camp Summers, no? LU. Yes, I will be in La Union on December 19. So after nung 19 show ko sa La Union, luluwas agad ako ng Manila for the 20th show sa Rampa kasi I have to oversee since ako yung overall producer ng show. So after ng show ko sa La Union, dediretso kami ng December 20 para i-monitor, i-oversee kasi magte-technicals pa kami, mag-creatives pa, mag-iilaw, everything. I have to check everything. Ayun. Lagare. Yes, correct. Very that. Very that. Ma, pwede mag-ask. Over naman sa ask. Happy belated birthday. Thank you so much. Ang fresh naman ni Sex Bomb Rochelle, parang di galing sa concert. Meron bang party yung concert ng Sex Bomb? Oh my God. Nakita ko yung mga videos kanina. Nag-concert pala sila. Talagang, yun sila Sex Bomb Rochelle, Sex Bomb Jopay. Yan talaga ang humubog sa akin nung kabataan ko. Bus na ba ang tickets? No, wala pang... We're gonna sell them tonight at 6 p.m. So be sure to log in sa campsummers.helixpay. Ayan. Okay, anyways, I have to go soon and do some producer stuff kasi medyo marami kaming inaasikaso. So I just wanted to go live to remind you guys that we're going to be selling the tickets at 6 p.m. in Pronto, 6 p.m. at campsummers.helixpay.ph. All the ticket prices are on the post that we posted last night. Andun lahat ng details that you need to know. And we added a few sections then so that we could cater to more viewers this time. Kasi last time parang we overestimated. So marami pang space. I mean, comfortable naman siya. Comfortable. Like super comfortable. Hindi super siksikan. But this time around, magdadagdag kami ng kaunti para mas marami. Since parang ito na yung last year, parang year-end concert namin all together, di ba? And even for me, ito na yung last show ko this year that I'm gonna be producing with Camp Summers. So, yeah. Can we choose the seat for VIP seated? Yes, you can choose, definitely choose your spot sa VIP seated. But yung sofa, it's gonna be a shared couch. So, be sure to check or select which seats from the VIP seated you would want to be placed. Kasi doon kayo ilalagay talaga pagdating nyo. Again, thank you guys. We're gonna be seeing you later at 6 p.m. at campsummers.helixplay.ph. Tickets on sale for the OG's night, featuring some of your favorite queens from season 1 of Drag Race Philippines. Precious Paula Nicole, myself, Marina, Brigading will be there as well. Eva, Venus Deluxe, Minty Fresh, Turing Corazon will be there as well. It's going to be hosted by Sir John Santos. And other surprise appearances. sana matuloy yung mga surprise namin. But we'll see you there. We are working our asses off to give you a really, really, really good show and really, really good time that night. And yeah, we will see you guys very soon. Thank you. Bye.